Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to activate your Merrick Bank Credit Card and log into your online account with ease. Follow these simple steps to get started and manage your account effortlessly. Step 1. Go to the Merrick Bank website. To activate your Merrick Bank Credit Card, first, open your browser and go to the official Merrick Bank website. Type in www.merrickbank.com in your address bar and press Enter. Step 2. Locate the Activate Card section. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to Activate Card or Activate Your Credit Card. This is typically located in the top menu or under the Credit Cards section. Step 3. Enter your card information. Click on the activation link, and you will be prompted to enter your card details. This includes the 16-digit credit card number and the security code found on the back of your card. Make sure the information is entered correctly. Step 4. Provide personal information. Next, you will be asked to provide some personal details such as your name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number, SSN, for security purposes. This is necessary to verify your identity and ensure a smooth activation process. Step 5. Complete the activation process. Once you've entered the required information, click Activate to complete the process. You will receive a confirmation message on the screen, letting you know that your Merrick Bank credit card has been successfully activated. Step 6. Logging into your Merrick Bank account. To log in, simply return to the Merrick Bank homepage and click on the Login option. Enter your username and password that you've created when signing up for an online account. If you haven't created an account yet, follow the instructions to register your account first. Step 7. Access your account. Once logged in, you can easily view your balance, make payments, track transactions, and manage your credit card settings. The online portal offers a variety of features for convenient access to your credit card information. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.